Hey guys, this is Jamie and Lola Tallulah, and I am here to show you this month's Spellbinders Die Kit Club pieces. Excuse me. They were a little late in sending these out, but they came, and I was like so excited. Because, you know, I do love my dies, right? If you've been on my channel any length of time, you know that. So let me show you the small die. Now when I turn this over and it says small die, so this is the June one, and it's the cupcake. They did a new cupcake with some flowers and embossed little thing at the bottom with your candle and so forth. And when you turn it over, do you see how big those dies are? That right there is the fluffiness, the icing on the cupcake. I mean, that thing is huge. Can you see that? And there's the little decorations. So you see how they did it. And then I'm going to show you what I did. So, I had scraps sitting around, so I've been trying to use up scraps too. So here's the size of the cupcake. You can see how big it is. I mean, look at my hand. And I don't have small lady hands. So you get the icing, and you can see the icing embosses. And look how big that is. That's huge. Okay, then you get this set here, and it embosses as well, as you can tell. Then you get this extra little die of the flowers that match that you can put on top. Okay, and then you have a very large candle. Whoops, sorry, move the camera. Very large candle that is embossed, and then the flame piece. And I thought it was cool, so I just put a slit at the top, and you can slide the candle in, so it actually looks like it's sitting inside your cupcake. And then you can either glue it down, or I would glue it down, put glue on the back so it would stick out like that, you know. But that is huge. So then they have the big die set. Now you guys know, if that was the small one, and you see how large that is, here's the large die set. Which is really funny about this one is this piece right here looks a lot like the Crafter's Companion one I just purchased, and I was like, dang it, had I known. Now, although the Crafter Companion one has two side pieces, so it could be cut in various ways, but I'm still like, dang, I could have saved that money. Now look how big that die is. Can you see that? That die is huge, and there's not one, but two. So when you cut the die out, it looks like this. Actually, when you cut the dies, because there's two of them, like I said. So here's one. And you see my hand. You see how big that is? My hand is huge. And then here's the corner piece. I do not need another flower die, and yet I always buy them because they're so pretty. So there's that. Now, another thing that you could do, particularly with dies that are like this with all these pieces, when they come out, you can do what's called an inlay. So you just take those pieces, and I've done videos on like this before. You just take these pieces, cut it in 2 different colors or 3 different colors, and you take the pieces that come out and then piece them back in. So here, I cut this one out in the green. Actually, it's a minty color. And then when I cut this piece out, I put those back in the mint color, the mint color flower. So fun. Now it is a time-consuming process, and what you can do to make it easier, because you don't want all the pieces come out, you put your double-sided tape on the back where you want it to stick, so that when you put the pieces in, they'll lay right on in there. And then when you take the backing off, you can stick it. And here's the other one. So I thought I would show you this month's Spellbinders Kit Club and see what you thought. All right, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.